Fiji, an archipelago known for its crystal-clear waters and lush landscapes, is also a treasure trove of culinary delights. This guide will whisk you away on a gastronomic tour, showcasing the best of local and international cuisine across Fiji's top restaurants. At Goji Kitchen and Bar, the culinary journey is as vibrant as the Fijian sunset. Here, local ingredients meet the rich flavors of India, creating an all-day dining experience with live cooking stations. The atmosphere is casual yet captivating, perfect for indulging in a feast for the senses. For reservations, call +679 677,000. Fish Bar offers fresh seafood with a view of Momi Bay. The casual elegance of the dining experience is matched by a menu featuring the catch of the day and grilled meat specialties. With generous operating hours, you can enjoy the flavors of Fiji from breakfast through dinner. For inquiries, dial +679 677,000. Lagoon House and Bar, nestled by the resort pool, serves Mediterranean delights with a Fijian twist. Enjoy pasta and pizzas while watching the sunset or sipping a cocktail from the swim-up bar. The Polynesian fire performance and Fijian meek add dramatic entertainment to your meal. Operating hours are from 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. daily. Voi Voi Bar embodies Fijian hospitality with its Fiji-style BBQ and comfort foods. The relaxed open-air setting is perfect for unwinding with ice-cold beers and cocktails. Operating from 11 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. daily, it's an ideal lunch spot to experience the spirit of Fijian culinary tradition. Daikoku offers an authentic Japanese dining experience in Fiji. Sushi, sashimi, and teppanyaki dishes are prepared with flair, providing a spectacle of culinary artistry. The smart casual dress code complements the sophisticated atmosphere. Open for lunch and dinner, call +679 670-3622 for a reservation. Vasaka Fiji, located at Wailoaloa Beach, specializes in spit-roasted meats seasoned with local spices. The simplicity and flavor reflect the warmth of Fijian hospitality, making it a must-visit for meat lovers. The casual dress code and generous operating hours cater to both lunch and dinner guests. Sales Fiji is a seafood lover's paradise, offering dishes that celebrate the ocean's bounty. The smart casual dress code maintains an upscale dining experience. Open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Contact +679 7767245 to reserve a table and enjoy the freshest catch. For a casual bite, the Fiji Baking Company serves freshly prepared snacks, savory baked goods, and deli sandwiches. Open from 6:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., it's the perfect spot for a quick meal or a picnic on the beach. Call +679 6707000 for orders or inquiries. The Lagoon Lounge is where you can relax with light bites and handcrafted cocktails. Open from 8 a.m. to midnight, it's a place to make memories and enjoy the tranquility of Fiji. Whether starting your day or ending your evening, the Lagoon Lounge caters to all. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.